Don't turn your wheels, go back the way you've got them turned. Then you'll be clear of that bump. Right, yeah, right here, down. Then you should be all clear around.
Number 40, John, just like I was back there with QB.
Thanks, Becky. Peter.
OSC, roughly 313.
Hey.
Yeah, no, I'm down to Candy, but you're not going to be too much longer, Keith, are you? I'm sort of snookered here, mate.
Nah.
Catch you near the evening, so we are near about what's happening.
Sorry, mate. Take 312 just for now.
Yeah, I see 312, just wanted to catch you down here on the ground. Just take off. You know what we're doing here.
Yeah. Lost that. Shot 5 o'clock. Did you bring it back up here?